Hey, this is Anup and this is a quick tutorial for multi-agent AI social post creation. Welcome back to the channel. Today I will unlock the secret of creating next level social media posts with a multi-agent AI workflow, automating everything from content topic ideation to SEO rich hashtag and custom image. If you want to scale your presence and produce truly compelling posts with deep research and tailored visual, the strategy is your game changer. Now we will discuss how can we use multi-agent content creation technique or AI workflow to create our social media post. So content topic generator, I used 4 AI agent. First, the content topic generator sets your workflow in motion. This AI agent analyzes current trends, your brand niche, and platform data to produce a list of powerful, timely topics. No more creative blocks or random posts. Every idea is rooted in audience interest and trending conversation. Next, I have used a content creation agent or content creator agent, that is deep audience ready post. The content creator agent takes the selected topic and performs real deep research, scanning relevant sources, extracting insight, and drafting a compelling post. Custom prompt lets you control tone, style, and intended audience, all tailored to platform needs, be it LinkedIn, Instagram, or X. Next, we have used a image generation agent. Depending on our prompt and the content ideas, our AI agent provide a image generation prompt, and our image generation agent will create the image on behalf of us. Unique visual catch the eye and drive engagement. The image generation agent craft custom graphics or photo based on your post content, brand palette, and audience preference. Automation here means every post is truly fully packed, text and visual, ready for instant publishing. Next agent is our SEO agent or the hashtag agent. Our post is not complete until it's optimized and discovery. The hashtag generator and the SEO agent analyze your content and find high performing relevant hashtag and SEO keywords, automatically boosting your post, reach the engagement in search and social feed. Next, we have used a merge node to merge the image and the content, and we will used a LinkedIn node for publishing our post in LinkedIn. So all these agents will work together inside a single workflow. So now we will be going through how our AI agent will work and it will create our post on behalf of us without wasting any time to research the content, create the image, generating the hashtag, and publishing these things. So our AI agent will do the same with a single click. Within 1 minute or within 30 seconds, your post will be ready, published on LinkedIn. Now let's quickly go through our workflow. Then I demonstrate how you can create the same thing with your own with the help of AI automation. I will click on execute workflow. Now our form is open and we need to put our text idea or the content idea. So I will, my title is revolutionizing business with AI multi-agent workflow in action. Now I will click on hit submit and our AI agent content topic generator AI agent generates the top content idea and it passed to the content generator agent, and now it will pass the idea image generation agent. After the creation of the agent, our hashtag will be generated and it will be posted in my LinkedIn account. So let's wait for the image generation. Now that is completed and now our SEO is done also. Now we will see whether though it's provide me an error, but we have made our post in LinkedIn. Now I will go to my LinkedIn account and we will check whether our AI agent publish any post or not. So I will click post, I will hit refresh. You can see we just post this thing right now. This is our multi agent and you can see with the graphics is insane. It is totally insane. You can see in today's fast paced digital landscape, integration AI into multi-agent system is just not optional, it's essential. With the right tool, organization can streamline process, enhance productivity, and foster a more collaborative work environment. Imagine agents communicating effortlessly, resolving images in real time, and you can read my post, and this is great. So now let's go through the workflow one by one. So first we used a form submission node. You can just add form innate and from, and from here you just need to take on new innate and from event, so it will populate your form. So you can just name like content generator, and you need to add your field name, that is the idea, and it will be a text field and it will be a required. So you can see, if I show you here, the same thing will be populated. You can see, you just need to provide your idea. Next we have used a content generator AI agent. We used a OpenAI chat model and a structure parser output. You can see this is my user prompt. So you are a content researcher assistant with the agentic vibe and AI fast automation agency helping solopreneurs, creators, and digital fast founders. So you can just, I will not go through line by line. You can just read this thing, and also you can create this type of prompt via ChatGPT or any from any AI. And next we have used another agent, that is the content creator agent. Now you can see, it will just take title and rationally, and depending on that it will create the content. We have used again a structure output parser and a OpenAI chat model to create the content, and it will pass the things like this: image description, so the image, how your image will be looks like, the post title, post content. Similarly, like I have provided some example. So according to that, our image generation agent will generate that image. And next we have used our fourth agent, that is our SEO agent. So here also we used OpenAI chat model, and our AI agent will be, and this is my prompt: you are an SEO specialist for LinkedIn. Your task is to gentle, highly relevant, and effective hashtagging for the following post. Consider the post content, target audience, content, and the current LinkedIn trends to maximize visibility and engagement. So I just put the post title over here. So you will get the post title from your previous node. You just need to drag and drop, and please, and we have mentioned that please generate 3 to 5 broad high volume hashtag, 3 to 5 niche specific hashtag, and according to that our AI agent will create the hashtag. And next we just use a merge node, that is, you can just click on that and you can click on merge, and you can merge the two things into one. You can merge up to 10 nodes in one. So next we use create a post, that is the LinkedIn node, to publish our post in LinkedIn. So you have to have your LinkedIn account. So to create a LinkedIn account, you need to just go to developer.linkedin.com, and you need to create your app, and I have already created, so I will go through here. Next you need to create your client ID and the client secret to post your content via N8N workflow. So next we just pass the idea, that is the content. Within the text we need to pass the content, post content that we will receive from our previous node, and the image that is generated by our image agent, and it will then post the things into my account. This workflow is very much helpful to any business or any organization or any person who is handling any organization's social media account. They can use this type of workflow to create a social media post, content research, and so many things. So whether you are solo or an agency or a global brand, the multi-agent setup lets you scale, innovate, and succeed in today's ultra-competitive social media landscape. Implement this workflow, document your result, and watch your reach, authority, and engagement soar easily up to 10K view per month and beyond. So that's it from today's video. Subscribe and stay tuned for more actionable AI powered marketing strategies. Future of social media is automated, intelligent, and multi-agent. So please hit subscribe, like, and comment below. And if you need any information to create this type of AI workflow, please let me know in the comment section. I will definitely get back to you. And that's it. So have a nice day. Bye bye. See you in the next video.